Hi, this is English 9A, credit 5 for the Hunger Games. So at this point, you did credit 4 and you read the first half of the book. So for this credit, you're going to read the second half of the book. Again, on the Google Classroom, I gave you a link to Learning Ally, which is the audiobook. So if you don't have the novel in hand, you can go and use the audiobook, and there's a login and a link for you, and you can also look at the other resource that I left you to kind of get an idea of what each chapter talks about. Okay, so this is your glossary terms. You can use these as a reference throughout this packet, and you can come back to it if you need it at any point. And then this is the preview for your performance task for this for this packet. Okay, so your prompt is the Hunger Games a utopian or dystopian novel? And then you will produce an argumentative essay in which you describe how the plot, characters, and settings work together to create a dystopian or utopian society. So for credit 4, you learned about the difference between utopian and dystopian. So now you have an idea, and now you're going to create your own claim or your own argument as to whether the Hunger Games book is a utopian or a dystopian novel or a society. Okay, so use some of what you wrote about in the last essay. You can use some of it as a part of your argument of which side you think Hunger Games comes from. Okay, and when you are done with that, you can go ahead and start the reading for lesson 1.